This is an emergency broadcast from the Home Office. A possible terrorist attack of this country has been confirmed. 2 planes have hit the National World Trade Center. If you're in this state at the moment, start running or trying to find shelter, as there is a good chance that the towers will fall. If you're on the plane that's about to crash, follow these guidelines. 1. When you crashed, call for help and see if anyone will help you. Number 2. Put on safety jackets that will probably allow you to not get injured. Number 3. If the Twin Towers fall, there is a high risk of you dying. On September 11th, 2001, we abort as the American 11 is trying to stable this all. We will see you later to give you more information.